Have some shrimp in the refrigerator? Today we will cook quick and easy shrimp stir fry. Add salt to water and use it to wash the shrimp. Trim off any legs and rinse shrimp with clean water. Now sprinkle the shrimp with half teaspoon of adobo seasoning. This seasoning is combination of turmeric, garlic, oregano, and salt. Top the shrimp with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Put 3 ladles of cooking oil into a pan. Before we toss the shrimp into the pan, be sure to add 1 teaspoon of garlic to the shrimp. After 1 minute, turn the shrimp over and add some Japanese barbecue sauce. This barbecue sauce made from soy sauce, mirin, ginger, vinegar, cane sugar, and yuzu juice, or you can replace it with lemon. Cook for 2 minutes, then add a little soy sauce. Cover the pan and cook for 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, add a touch of sesame oil and cook for 1 more minute. Turn the heat off and your stir-fried shrimp is ready. I'm serving the shrimp with a side of sticky rice and black-eyed pea. You can get the sticky rice recipe on our Great Tastes of Las Vegas playlist, which you will find on the Coco Palm Pictures YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.